Alrighty, we're coming up on 6:39, getting a walk around the quad here now. Ansley, nice blue skies we're already seeing this morning. Should be a decent day out there.
Yeah, absolutely. Beautiful start to the day. I mean, that's been the case for the start of the work week here, so it's nice to carry it on into Tuesday. And by the time we get to the afternoon, we will still have peaks of sunshine, but there will also be some rain chances. So it's nice to at least have a completely clear morning here, and also in a couple of places, a slightly cooler one. I mean, a degree or two cooler. In Macon right now, it's 71 degrees, and across our area, we're all sitting in the low 70s. So this is a little bit cooler than this time yesterday, but overall, that is not going to be the trend heading into the afternoon. Later today, we're going to be nice and warm once again because the humidity is with us and the numbers will begin to climb. So those two things combined mean we'll have a heat index in at least the triple digits later today, probably as high as around 102. Now, even though that's warm, we're not going to have heat index values that are between 105 to 110. So staying away from heat advisory criteria, at least for today, but we will still be warm. The actual high is going to be 92. Of course, the heat index will be warmer than that. There's also a possibility for some showers and storms later today, similar to what you experienced yesterday, just kind of that afternoon and evening rain chance that pops up with the heat of the day. So the current satellite radar picture, as you just saw on the sky cams, is completely clear, but our rain chances later today are going to have at least something to do with what's down here in the Gulf. This is now officially Tropical Storm Bertha, so our second named storm of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season. And despite the fact that it's now a tropical storm, there is still no direct impacts expected here in central Georgia. This is still going to drift over to the west along the Gulf Coast, ending up over in Texas by sometime later this week. So again, still not going to directly impact us, but the moisture from this system will continue to fuel our afternoon and evening rain chances for today, likely a little bit into Wednesday, but then the system just kind of continues to drift over to the west and eventually leaves us alone. The only other thing that you may notice today is a slightly increased breeze. By this afternoon, the winds will be up anywhere between 10 to 15 miles an hour, maybe occasionally a 20-mile-an-hour gust. But overall, these are not really going to be too crazy of winds. You just may notice a little bit of a nice breeze into this afternoon. Otherwise, the summertime pattern just continues to roll on. Later today, it's scattered showers and thunderstorm activity, probably best chances down in our southern counties as things move in from the south. But everybody this afternoon and evening at least has the opportunity to see rainfall. And we'll do that again heading into Wednesday. Clear start to Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms will begin to pop up, and they'll stick with us into Wednesday evening. Now, by Thursday morning, we start to have a different feature that drives the forecast. You can see showers and thunderstorms kind of grouping up here in North Georgia by Thursday morning. By Thursday afternoon, this is actually a cold front that moves into our area, and what it does is park itself across central Georgia here, which means we're going to have some increased rain chances throughout Thursday into Friday and ultimately into the beginning of the weekend. So that just means a better opportunity to catch a scattered shower or a thunderstorm because they will be a little bit more widespread with the influence of that front. The good news is by the back half of the weekend, the rain chances start to taper back off, and rain will keep temperatures at bay somewhere in the low 90s all the way through the next 7 days.